Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw crypto from MetaMask to crypto.com. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to your crypto.com. So go ahead and go to your crypto.com, and once you're here, what you will have to do is of course log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you should see the account section right here somewhere, but it really depends on your layout, so you just gotta explore so that you will be able to find accounts. And once you see accounts, just go ahead and click it, and then you will select crypto wallet and then click deposit. You will select the crypto that you want to receive, and then you will copy the wallet address. And after copying that, what you will have to do is open your MetaMask, and then you will just have to click this send button right here. And what you will have to do is you will just have to paste the wallet address that you've copied earlier from here. So after you've pasted it here, what you will have to do is you will basically just enter the amount and select the correct network, which is either Ethereum, Bitcoin, or something like that. So yeah, you will just have to review the transaction fees and click next and then confirm, and then you will just have to wait for the transaction to complete. And then after all that, you will just have to check your crypto.com account for the deposit. And by the way, you should always double check the address and network so that you will be able to avoid lost funds. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.